This is a demonstration on how to install and remove the Delta controller from the Delta unit. First, you want to make sure there's an orange O-ring around here and a green rubber seal around the two pins. Then you just want to line the two pins to the two holes you see here. Just begin to install it. Push in as hard as you can. Just nice and firm. Then you grab the two screws. Just twist them in these two holes here. Then you need a 3mm Allen key. And just twist in the two screws. Not all the way. Just do both sides first and then begin to tighten. So you can tighten and you can see the gap getting tighter. One side. And do it tight, but not too tight. There we go. Then to remove the cartridge, just unscrew. A little bit on both sides. And begin to remove it. Now the screws aren't touching the unit anymore. You'll want to firmly just tap the cartridge from the unit. So it comes loose. And that's how to remove the cartridge from the Delta unit.